Everybody, Dirty Dan here from Greasy Boy Customs. Just want to take a moment and talk to you folks about parts, and whether it's getting your classic car worked on or getting your newer car worked on. We're going to talk about parts markup, why shops prefer to order parts, and hopefully open up some good dialogue to help everybody out. Now, a lot of customers prefer to order their own parts. There's good reason for that. Those customers want to see where their money is going. They want to be able to know where the status is on that product. Is it shipped? Has it arrived? When is it going to arrive? And instead of calling and harassing the shop, they can see that themselves. Also, they want to avoid a parts markup, which is completely understandable because there are several shops out there that don't mark up, some that mark it up astronomically, and then some are there kind of middle of the road. And that's all going to depend on where you're getting your work done, what type of work you're getting done, what type of parts that you're ordering. So as the shop owner, the reason we like to order the parts is, one, that markup is not just, hey, give me more money, we want to make more money off of you. There's stuff involved with that. There's time and effort involved with that. We don't just click, 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 and order the parts. There's phone calls. Sometimes you're on hold for 45 minutes. Researching the correct part, making sure that the parts you ordered will fit the application, especially with custom vehicles where the engine and transmission may not match the vehicle and so on. The other reason for the markup is our time spent if the product is wrong or broken or needs to be warrantied out. We handle that. We order that. We send the old one back. We take care of it. Now, with that being said, there's also another side to this. Some larger shops have the capital to sit on thousands of dollars of ordered parts, whereas smaller shops like myself, I don't have that ability. If I have 5 vehicles working and I have $5,000 in parts out on all those vehicles, that puts me in a bad position. So typically, speaking for myself, what I usually do is I ask for a parts deposit up front to cover the cost of the parts, so that I'm ordering them, I'm handling them, and I'm not sitting on thousands of dollars. Now, this is important when you go to get your vehicle worked on, that you communicate with your shop. And like I said, most of this applies to classic and custom vehicles, but can also apply to your newer daily driver when you take it to a regular shop. So I would like to hear from owners and customers why you do or do not prefer to order your own parts. Have a great day.